Have you ever wondered how journaling can transform your life? Picture this: a tool for personal growth that aids self-expression, brings mental clarity, and bolsters emotional well-being. That's the power of journaling. It's more than just a writing exercise. It's a journey of self-discovery, a chance to understand yourself better. Every word you pen down becomes a stepping stone towards the person you aspire to be. Imagine harnessing the power of your thoughts and emotions and directing them towards your goals. This is what journaling can do for you. Now, you might be wondering, how do I start journaling? Well, it's really quite simple. Let's walk through it together. Step 1 is to choose your journal and writing tool. This might seem like a small detail, but it's actually quite important. You'll want to select a journal that resonates with you, one that you're comfortable with, and that invites you to pour your thoughts onto its pages. This could be a leather-bound book with thick, creamy pages, or a simple spiral notebook. The same goes for your writing tool. Whether it's a smooth rolling ballpoint pen or a sharp pencil, choose something that feels good in your hand. This is your journey, after all. Next, step 2, find your quiet space. This is a place where you can write without interruptions, a place where your thoughts can flow freely. It might be a cozy corner in your living room, a quiet nook in a library, or even a park bench. The key is to find a space where you feel at peace, where you can connect with yourself and your thoughts. Step 3 is to set a schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to journaling. It's not about writing a lot all at once, but rather about writing a little bit, regularly. Maybe you'll choose to write for 15 minutes every morning, or maybe you'll write for half an hour every night before bed. The important thing is to make it a habit. It might feel a bit challenging at first, but with time, it will become a part of your daily routine. Finally, step 4, start writing. Write about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Write about your dreams, your goals, your plans for the future. Don't worry about spelling, grammar, or punctuation. This is your space to express yourself freely without judgment. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal. It's a personal journey of self-discovery and growth. So, are you ready to transform your life with journaling? It's a simple yet powerful tool that can unlock your potential, helping you to understand yourself better, achieve your goals, and create the life you've always wanted. It's time to harness the power of your thoughts, your dreams, your fears, and your inspirations. Don't wait for tomorrow, for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is now. Take the first step today. Pick up a pen, open your journal, and let the transformation begin.